Friends, welcome to my channel Design and Food Guider Animation Movies for Kids. So today we are going to have one tutorial which is amazing for everyone, which will give you detailed report about the website, and it will also help you to get whether the website is genuine, it is fake, or it is scam, or it is illegal. So let's begin with the thing. So as you can see on my screen, I have opened a website which is called as ScamAdvisor, www.scamadviser.com. So in this, as you can see, when I open the website, so here you can check that website, phone, Krypton, IBN, etc. And here your anti-scam partner keeping you safe. So it will give you the report about whether the what the website is, whether it is safe one, whether it is a scam or it is fake or it is illegal or it is legal. So as you can see, I have already one website with me. So I just copied and paste and just here it will it has selected website means it is a website. So here you can even also if you add here phone number, so it will select phone number. So right now we will be discussing about the website, so whether the website is fake or genuine or illegal or it is legal. So just I have placed paste the website here, and now I am just clicking on the CTA scam. Now it will help me to give the complete report. So it is now telling that verification has been done successfully, so it is waiting for the response. So now yes, you can see here that uh, kindly ignore this ad. So now you can see here that it is giving me complete it is giving me the review that likely to be quite legit. Trust rating is high. So here your go-to tool on safety trust score, it is showing this 77 out of 100. So here another thing is here it is giving the history about the information that it is positive highlights and negative highlights. So it is giving you detailed information about that, about what exactly it is. So now if I click on the detail analysis, it will give me that complete review, web shop evaluation, technical evaluation, then about the facts about the domain age from it is from 5 months and OS data hidden, website name, redirecting from website title name, description, domain age, website speed, SSL certificate, valid SSL, all relating to the websites. So, this is the report which this scam advisor has provided me. So I can trust on this website, and even if before going to any kind of website, just go to scam advisor and copy paste the URL and get the complete report, and you will get to know that whether it is safe or it is fake or scam or it is illegal. So it is going 77, which is trust score is good. So if I click on this, it will show me this. See. So this is the thing. So I will be right now. Also, we are having other 5 alternative websites which I will be sharing with you through my description link. So if you like my tutorial, please give subscribe, like, and share to everyone. And thanks for watching my channel. And yes, get connected with me. Goodbye. Bye.